What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Dogecoin. Today is a very quick update as I have a few things I am doing today, some exciting stuff going on in my life. But you guys, I did feel that I should update you guys on Dogecoin. I see a lot of people seeing this breakout and kind of thinking that Dogecoin is the future and that it's going to take over the entire world. And maybe it does at some point, but I'm going to get into the short-term price action, you guys. If you're not a subscriber to my channel already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, as well as sharing this video with your friends and hitting up the like button. I really appreciate every single subscriber that I receive, every single VIP member. Shout out to all of the new members that have been joining, sending me emails, sending me Discord messages, and getting in on that VIP program. Guys, it's really awesome to help you guys change your life and change your trading portfolio. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. This is Dogecoin on Binance, and you guys, we have had a breakout of the downtrending Ichimoku cloud, and I see a lot of people that are very, very bullish right now. So I'm going to get into some perspectives as to why I personally think Dogecoin is not going to go up from this current price, and why I think Dogecoin will most likely see further downside, and that this is most likely to be a false breakout. So before we get kind of into the more details of the smaller time frames, we're going to go into the daily, or the 10-day, and check out what's going on in the 10-day candlesticks. As you guys can see, Dogecoin has seen massive exhaustion wicks on these bigger time frames. The 10-day has a lot of exhaustion. If you look at the weekly candlesticks, we see a lot of exhaustion, and really just good reasons to be selling as far as candlestick structure goes. And then on the 4-hour time frame, we kind of have this illusion of Dogecoin finding major support in this area here, but we're seeing virtually no volume on the breakout. I mean, there is volume in comparison to what we've been seeing on the way down, but there's not a significant amount of volume in this move yet, and I really don't think that we're going to see a significant amount of volume in this move. And if we go into like the smaller time frames, even smaller here, you guys can see that on the 30-minute we have a huge wick. So in the same way, on the bigger time frames, we had those wicks suggesting profit taking. We have wicks suggesting profit taking on these smaller time frames. So you guys, this for me is a false breakout. If we look at the Elliott wave kind of structure that we're seeing here in the market, this looks to me like an ABC up wave that will likely result in another impulse down, another Elliott wave impulse down lower here in Dogecoin. So I am not jumping the gun on getting back into Dogecoin yet, you guys. I definitely think that this is a false breakout. We have Ichimoku resistance on the 2-hour, which is a lot bigger resistance than these smaller time frames. And overall, I just expect this to continue on the downside. There's kind of a bigger picture channel here. A lot of people are drawing this channel right here, which is really steep. And yes, we did break out of that channel. But as far as the bigger picture channel goes, we're still in a downtrend, you guys. And this channel is likely to continue. We're likely to see further downside inside of this channel before we really see any reversals and breakouts. That's just my honest opinion. I, just like all of you guys, want Dogecoin to moon. I love Dogecoin. I think it's pretty awesome that Elon Musk has been talking about it, that Snoop Dogg has been talking about it. I mean, it's Dogecoin, man. I love this project. It's really freaking cool. It's a meme. I think it's an awesome cryptocurrency too. But overall, you guys, I definitely think that we're going to test some of these lower support levels before we push higher. If we just gently take the Fibonacci, if we gently grab the Fibonacci tool, you guys, we can see that there's most likely the 618 or the 786 could be easily tested here. And also, I am just not buying any of this Bitcoin action here. I'm going to go ahead and remove some of this analysis here. You guys, Bitcoin to me is still in FOMO, still in bearish price action. People are holding on, buying, expecting further upside. And I personally think we're going to see a pretty sharp and brutal correction over the next little while. We did get kind of a little bit of pushback in the bulls overnight because we were seeing a little bit of a sell-off before the evening started, before the night started, I mean. And then we did get a little bit of a bullish pushback, but I don't expect that bullish pushback to see any real continuation here. I expect this rising wedge to go ahead and play out, and I expect Bitcoin's divergence here to go ahead and play out as well. So as far as Dogecoin goes, you guys, Bitcoin is still suggesting bearish price action. I highly doubt that Dogecoin is going to somehow move independent of Bitcoin. I suspect that they all move together. So that's my update, you guys. Go ahead and shoot me a Discord message or an email. I can help you get set up with the VIP today. I've been helping other members get in today as we speak. They are really, really excited about the markets, as they should be. They're excited about being able to compound their growth in a meaningful way, transform their lives. And I love hearing the stories from you guys and the VIP introductions, hearing from people just completely transforming their lives inside of the group and actually outperforming the market consistently. So make sure that you guys check that out. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. Share this video with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.